Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find your wallet address on Stargazer Wallet application. Finding your wallet address in Stargazer is a simple process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. Launch/open your Stargazer Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your wallet by entering your login password. After you are done, tap on Unlock to log into your account. Soon after you've logged into Stargazer, select the cryptocurrency you would like to find the wallet address for. You will see different tokens you've added to the list on the main interface. Select any one cryptocurrency. For now, I'm selecting BNB. Then, you will come across this interface from where you'll need to tap on Receive. Now, you will see your wallet address for BNB at the bottom. Simply tap on the copy icon in order to copy your wallet address and share it with anyone when receiving or sending in crypto. You can also let anyone scan the QR code wherever it is needed. So, that is how you will be able to find the wallet address for a particular cryptocurrency on Stargazer Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.